Guys, if you are just starting out in auto body and painting, then there are 7 things that a professional auto body painter will never share with you. And the 4th one is going to be the game changer. It is going to be a very interesting video, guys. So see that you like the video now only. And if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Because we share amazing auto body and painting stuff on this channel. And you can learn a lot from this channel, guys. So without further ado, let's get the video started. So guys, when you are just starting out in auto body and painting, you have many questions in your head. So you go to a professional auto body painter and you start to ask him certain things. And he tells you certain things. But when you put it into practice, you get horrible results. Because the things that he has told you are not the right things. And it is because auto body painters has his own secrets, guys, which he will never want to share with anybody. Because that is what makes them. And they have learnt it through experience for so many years. And you want to learn it in just one day. How he will let you know his secrets, guys. He will never want to share that. So in this video, I am going to share with you 7 things that he will never want to share with you. So moving on with the first one. And the first one is how much PSI you should be setting on your spray gun. Yes guys, when you are spraying the paint or the primer or the clear coat, there are different PSIs that you should be setting on your spray gun. If you don't set it correctly, then either you will get orange peel or you will get paint runs. And there are various reasons because of which you can get orange peel and paint runs, guys. And this is one of the reasons. Because you did not set the PSI correctly on your spray gun. And it is a secret that an auto body painter will never want to share with you. With that, let's move on to the second one. And the second one also is a very important but a very neglected one. And it is how to mix the body filler. Yes guys, when you are mixing the body filler for the first time, you don't know how much hardener to put in it. You don't know how much body filler to take in one time. So you go and ask a pro painter. And the pro painter tells you something. You come home and you try it. But the moment you apply the body filler, it has already turned hard. So how much hardener you should be putting in the body filler? If you put in too much hardener, then your body filler will get hard very fast and you will not even get time to apply that body filler. And if you put too less hardener in your body filler, then you will be able to apply the body filler nicely, but that body filler is not going to turn hard at all. It is going to stay soft on your surface all the time. And you will come to know about it when you start to sand that body filler. All that wet body filler will go in your sandpaper and it will destroy your sandpaper, guys. So putting in the right amount of hardener is a very important thing, guys, which you should learn first. With that, let's move on to the third one. And the third one, which a pro auto body painter will never share with you, is which sandpaper to use when. Yes guys, there are many grit sandpapers. There is 60 grit, there is 80 grit, 100 grit, 120 grit, 200 grit, 240. There are many grit sandpapers, guys. Now which sandpaper you should use when? And that becomes a big question mark, guys. Because if you use a wrong type of sandpaper, then either your paint will not stick to the surface or the scratches of your sandpaper will show on your finished paint job, or you will not be able to acquire a flat surface. So knowing when to use which sandpaper also is an art, guys. So you should be knowing when to use which sandpaper, guys. And this pro auto body painter will never share with you. And with that, let's move on to the fourth one. And the fourth one is a very interesting one, guys. And it is how to mix your paints, how to mix your base coat, how to mix your primer, how to mix your clear coat. Because there is a base coat, clear coat system, there is a single stage paint system. And in this, reducer go, hardener go. Now how much reducer you will add? How much hardener you will add in? Do you have to add hardener in the base coat? Or can you spray the clear coat just by adding the reducer? All this is a confusion when you are just starting out, guys. And a pro auto body painter will never share with you these things. But you don't have to worry, guys, when I am there. Because I have created a step-by-step course on all of these things. And now you can learn auto body and painting from home. And you can get professional like results from your home garage, guys. And if you put in the hard work, you can learn auto body and painting in just 2 months, guys. Because I have done it and you can do it too. I have put a link of my course in the description below. You can go there and get yourself enrolled. And I will see you guys on the inside. If you are an automotive enthusiast, DIYer or a hobbyist or somebody who is looking to work at an auto body shop, then don't waste your time, guys. The more time you waste, you will also waste material with it, you will waste your efforts with it, and you will waste your valuable time with it. Go down below and get yourself enrolled today. Because the more you delay, guys, the more you will be delayed in getting better. And with that, let's move on to the fifth one, and the fifth one is how to spray the paint. Yes guys, to be better in spraying the paint, you will have to practice it first. You can't be spraying the paint flawlessly in your first attempt. It takes time to learn, guys. Now some people do this mistake, they directly go and spray the paint on the main surface. They either get orange peel or paint runs, and their entire surface is messed up, guys. And because of which their expensive material is also wasted, their time is also wasted, and their efforts are also wasted. Don't be in that mess, guys. Learn the process first. Spray the paint on the test panel first. Get the feel of the spray gun. Hold the spray gun in your hand. Spray the paint without worry. And once you get the hang of it, guys, that is the time you go and spray on the main panel. But you'll have to learn all these things, guys, because I have already created a way for you. So if you want, you can take that way or you can take another route. But I have created that option for you for learning. With that, let's move on to the sixth one. And the sixth one is, guys, when you spray the paint and when you are done spraying the paint on a panel, you will have to wait for some time till you spray the second coat, and it is called a flash time. Now how much time you should wait, that Autobody painter will never share with you, guys. Because if you wait for too long, then the bonding between the paints will not happen. If you spray too quickly, then the coat below needs to dry as well, and it will create bubbles because air is escaping from that coat now. So there are many problems you can face in Autobody and painting, guys. So knowing the flash time is also very important. And all these things a professional Autobody painter will never share with you, guys. And with that, let's move on to the seventh and the last one. And the last one is, guys, color sanding and buffing. Now color sanding and buffing is an art, guys. And even professional Autobody painters sometimes get scared to do color sanding and buffing. Because even if you do a slightest mistake while doing a color sanding and buffing, even if you had got a nice finish, then you can ruin that entire finish, guys. Now why you need to do color sanding and buffing? Guys, if you need a mirror-like finish, a finish that even showroom cars will not give you. It is like a mirror finish, guys. This type of finish you will only get at the show cars. It is like water, guys. The finish is so good. Now this type of finish you can acquire only by doing color sanding and buffing. Because no matter how expensive your spray gun is or how well you have sprayed the paint, you will still get a little bit amount of orange peel in your finish. It is not avoidable, guys. Even the cars which come out from the showroom will have some amount of orange peel. That is the saddest part of it. Even if you use the most expensive spray gun, guys, there will still be a little bit amount of orange peel. But the good part is you can get rid of that orange peel. And how to get rid of that orange peel? Is by doing color sanding and buffing. No matter how good Autobody painter you are, guys, you will get that some amount of orange peel in your finish. But if you know color sanding and buffing, you will get that mirror type finish. And I will teach you how to get it. Because I teach that step by step inside of my course. If you guys want to learn the process, then go there and get yourself enrolled. And I will see you guys on the inside. So those were the 7 things, guys, that a professional Autobody painter will never share with you. If you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Raisen Fanai signing out. Until we meet again. Ciao.